Good day to all of you. We are now in the lesson 17, layer roof lines, in our complete AutoCAD training course, 2D and 3D. So let's go. We are still in the command layer, and we will draw the roof lines. But I noticed that it's better to use the roof layer instead of roof line, because this is continuous and this is dash. So we will use the although we will use the roof layer, but we will draw the roof line for the reason that the roof line layer is dash. So in these handouts, these are the roof line. And we will use this as reference. So let's go to AutoCAD. This is our previous file, and we will draw roof line on this one. So from our handouts, roof line is the second line from the property line. So it is this one. This one is roof line. Let's use let's see, this is what I'm talking about. It is dash. If we use roof, it is continuous. So we will use roof. So the guidelines was converted into a roof. This one is also a roof line. Roof. And this one and this one. This one and this one. Convert it into a roof. So we now have this, and from our handouts there is this one. There is this diagonal line. So we'll make a diagonal here. We do that by entering construction line in the command. So let's say angle. So the angle is 45. And we place it in the intersection of these two lines. So we make roof our current layer. Then we draw another line there. So XL again, angle 315. Intersection of these two lines. Enter. And from these handouts, there is a horizontal line. So XL again, horizontal. Intersection again, construction line, angle. Oh no angle, it's horizontal line, the intersection of these two lines. Okay, then we have to clean, so we need to trim it. Trim all, enter. trim all, select objects, these are unnecessary lines, so we will eliminate it. So let's erase this. Select it and press on your keyboard delete. Again, trim, enter all, so all, again, trim, select objects all, let's eliminate this. So we have here. So we need to create this roof line also. So from here it's 3, 4, and another 2, 5, 9. Overall this is 9 meters. 12 meters. 12 minus 9 is 3. So from this to this one it's 3 meters. So we need to offset this. Offset distance is 3 meters to the left. And from that, it's 4. Type offset. And the offset distance is 4. Enter. Yeah. Okay. And from this, we need to offset it 0.5. This is the line that we created, and we need to offset it 0.5 to the right. As for this one, 0.5 to the left. So let's convert this first into a roof. That's match properties, source object, destination object. Okay. Again, match properties, select source object. Our source is a roof line. This is formerly a firewall layer. So we converted both lines into a roof lines. So we need to offset this by 0.5. Offset 0.5. We need to type it 0.5. Again, offset 0.5. Enter. From this to this, and from, okay. Then in the intersection, okay, we offset, okay. Let's trim it again. Trim, enter. Objects all. After the trimming, we need to erase unnecessary. Let's erase this. Select it first, then press in your keyboard delete. Let's delete this. Then we need to type another construction line. So in your command line, type XL, angle 45. So intersection of this one, of these lines, another intersection of these lines, and on the other side, construction line also with angular of 315. So intersection, shift right click, midpoint, no, shift right click, intersection, again, XL, base point, the angle is 315, intersection of these lines and intersections of these lines. Then another construction line, XL, this time it's vertical, the intersection of these lines, enter. So we need to trim again. All. We need to trim this. Then we need to erase all unnecessary construction lines. Select them first. Select all the unnecessary lines, necessary construction lines. Then press delete on your keyboard. Okay. Again, press all unnecessary lines. Oh no. So delete, 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 delete. Delete this, delete this. So we now have our roof line. This is the finished roof line. We turn off the guidelines. So this one is our roof line. We need to erase this one. And this one. How do we do that? Trim all. So we pick this one. So from our hardouts, we now have our roof line. Okay. So save it, save as. So I'll make the file name after floor plan 2D after the roof line. Save. So that's it. That's how you draw the roof line. Thank you for listening.